Hi everyone! Mag-react tayo dun sa kaka-release lang na Sun Chaser by Toon City Animations. Created by Bernan Padion at si Bobby Pontillas. I've actually watched this pero gusto kong himay-himayin lahat ng details. Basically, I'm just gonna also criticize this kasi meron din tayong mga feedback. I want to put it up front that this is a pilot episode. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's a proof of concept. They have released yung Kickstarter campaign nila. The success of that is what's going to enable yung further development nung yung production side, all of that crap. For now, at least meron na tayong pilot episode and we have something to be excited about. Alright, start tayo.
Mabuhay and welcome back
I really love na ginamit nila yung word na mabuhay.
to another life-threatening episode of Summer at Lola's! Nice monsters coming after us! What the camera away, La Bamba!
Ooh, I really love na nagpapabibo agad sila. One thing that I love about animation that astounds me time and time again is just the effects. Fire, smokes, mga laser beams, mga yung motion. It's just so crispy. Like mahirap siya kasing i-animate.
Jordan, those roses!
Oh, the voices by the way. I won't even recognize na si Chara Santos yung nag-voice ng Lola. Kudos to you, Chara Santos.
Oh, sorry. My Caterpillar movie needed a set.
Oh, something na pwedeng I think Nick can do some improving is yung cohesion ng scene to scene niya. So for example dito. So on that scene, nakatayo si Jordan pero immediately after is nakahiga na siya. So I think when it comes to animation, yung storyboarding talaga yung pinaka nagsaset ng pace or yung tempo.
Explain!
Instead of following what you...
Right. So ito, I do love the animation kasi parang yung childish hand-drawn art style is so charming para sa akin. And it's a flashback. Pero itong flashback na ang daming nangyari. One more thing, sabi dito, Lola's Jardin. Ibig sabihin may flower shop si Lola. Yun yung nag-kick off nung adventure nila dito. Pero the setting never showed that. May setting shot din kanina dun sa pan down. Maganda sana akong napakita na may flower garden, even dun sa loob ng bahay, may mga bulaklak, iba't ibang halaman.
Apo, I should have prepared you sooner. They're here for you.
That's how...
Oh, another thing, this is a lot of exposure. So, sa unang, this is 1 minute, 1 second in, kasi pwede namang i-spread out yung sa other episodes. Well, we do get it na this is a proof of concept na pilot, and baka walang next episode. Actually, sige, because of that specific reason, okay lang na naglo-lore dump sila. Pero I think dun sa actual releases ng episodes, sana successful yung campaign, is keep it a mystery. Kung pinapabilis yung pacing, exciting ang mystery na hindi mo alam yung lore, di ba? Nadi-discover kung ano nga ba yung sikreto ni Lola.
That evil pork.
Okay, isa pang feedback, the emotion jumps all over the place. Like, may seryosong pinag-usapan si Lola at si Jordan. May separate comedy yung Kambal. And we do get it na yung character role ng Kambal are comedic relief sila. So they have to be funny. They need to tone down yung seriousness kasi it's a family show, it's a kid show. Pero I just think na nasasobrahan na maglo-lord dump pa, remove the beds.
Spirit guardians.
Whoa. Wait, time out. I don't know if this is just me, pero parang biglang tumaas yung frames per second na animation. I really love that touch dito sa Spirit Guardians. It feels more surreal. Sige. Another instance nung hindi smooth yung transition ng characters is
Spirit Guard.
So, on this scene, nakatingin sa taas si Jordan. Immediately after this scene is nakatingin na siya kay Lola. Missed opportunity na from nakatingin sa taas habang nagsasalita si Lola, titingin pababa si Jordan. Para lang nag-smooth yung flow ng body language nila.
Are you okay? Not human. I'm a duende.
Then I'm a manananggal, and no, it's not as weird as it looks. The Sun Chaser sailed into the Somi, the sea of a million islands.
Wow!
Another exposition, I think we could cut that part din yung Sea of a Million Islands kasi madidiscover naman siya later.
But let me be the first to welcome you to the Sea of a Million Islands.
Small bits of exposition na yun, you could leave it out as a mystery. And tayong mga Pinoy, we're smart enough to understand, okay, this is going to be left a mystery for now, pero pag-uusapan later.
Oh, no idea what that is, but it sounds like an adventure.
Sounds like an all-inclusive resort. The portals have opened.
Another It's like Sea of a Million Islands. Tapos, mag-insert ng joke. Tapos, seryoso ulit si Lola. It's just yung emotion is gumaganon-ganon. Gosh, wait lang. Pause tayo. I really love yung silhouettes ng character. Okay, the thing with silhouettes is kahit kung silhouette lang yung nakikita mo, you could tell that a character is well designed if you can recognize it just from its silhouette, right? And I think that is true for this show. Kudos on the team for designing them this way. Oh, so crispy talaga. And the impact frame, God damn, look at this impact frame. Anyways, so good.
Jordan, over here!
Ayan, it's a missed opportunity na magpakita ng more of characters nung the rest of the cast. Tita Angie could be knee-jerk reaction, save people agad, and get them out of trouble. Meanwhile, playing into yung story na hindi biglang empty yung kwarto tapos ang naiwan nilang is silang tatlong characters. Another scene dito, I really love yung unang initial reaction niya na parang, ay nako, anong ginagawa mo? Kailangan natin tumakas, kaya na ni Lola yan. Kasi alam dito ni Archie na Lola can handle herself. Pero it's just, ang daming dead air. How many frames si Tito Archie na walang linya? 1, 2, naka-extend lang ng kamay or parang idle yung body language dito ni Tito Archie. Maganda sana na akong tingin sa likod. Tingin sa likod. Mas may effort yun i-animate, so it's not a gripe. It's more of a feedback kung what else ang pwedeng gawin.
Your kind should have.
Even the villain is doing some exposition. Like, wow, wait lang. Nasabi ko na talaga na I really love yung effects animation, particularly yung fire. Pero something about that fire na meron ding violet streak. Reminding me of yung Babaylan. Okay, I found it. It's Sugar Fire by Quasimodo Animation Studio.
We were driven away from our land, our people slaughtered.
I love stories, like pre-colonial stories, pero specifically dahil na-appreciate ko yung animation ng apoy nila dito.
Lola! You're a superhero? No, she's fighting that thing alone!
Jordan, look at
I just realized. Yung zoom out to sell yung illusion na they're running away from the place. Like ito, nag-zoom out yung background habang yung nag-run in place sila, pero that sells yung illusion na tumatakbo sila. Okay, pause tayo. I really love yung gantong animation. They did this dun sa Jeep na boat din ata, pero mixing 3D animation with 2D animation. I love na ngayong modern times is na may mix yung 2D and 3D. Para siyang mix media art na nag-blend yung art style ng uncanny 3D with 2D na frame by frame animation. It's so good. Anyways, kudos dun sa team na nagawa nila yun. One feedback to, I think pwede pa tong ayusin yung cell shading niya. I'm assuming this is also because of time. Pero, I really love it. Another aspect na kulang sa cohesion. He was barfing sa likod ng tricycle, pero immediately after, ando na siya sa harap. Meanwhile, yung conversation sounded like it was continuous.
We're doomed.
Ignore him. If Lola believes in you, so do I.
Wait lang, frame by frame, I really love this. Naka-open yung eyes nila. And then, merong anticipation by closing their eyes. Oh gosh, it's so fun din na hindi sila sabay na nakakita na. Ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung reaction time dito ni Jordan. Oh, it's so good. Every time sa animation, kung nagsa-squash and stretch yung parts ng mga characters, it really sells yung emotion and it's just so fun to see. Oh, so good.
Guardians condemn this to the dark.
Bakit nag-exposition dump kayo while fighting, Jeebus? You're losing aura by talking.
We have suffered in the dark.
Ang dami niyang daldal. Gosh, yung bounce light, yung lighting ng characters, it's so crispy talaga. Okay, wait, na-realize ko. Ito yung sasabi ko, yung business ni Lola is flower shop, pero yung setting does not show it. So, ayun lang, more flower sana. Oh, ang ganda ng animation. I can't. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh, may flower ato dun sa baba. Yan. So, meron tayong unang flower. Wait, time out. Look at this. What the hell is this explosion? Frame by frame tayo. And an impact multiple impact frames. 1, 2. Ooh, I love this one. 3, 4. And then, after no impact frame na yan is yung explosion. Gosh, look at this explosion. Anyways. And it turned into a transition. So good. Time out. Si Liza Soberano from her voice acting sa 13. Wala lang, na-miss ko. Hi Liza Soberano kung nanonood ka. Tapos zoom in na lang. Oh, that's so good. Bakit parang walang agency yung mga ibang tao? Wait lang, pause. Bakit parang walang agency yung mga tao? It's like, it's raining ice, lightning, tapos this guy is like, ayusin mo nga yung pagdadrive mo. And even yung kalabaw niya, it's like, move my guy, run! Oh, like look at this explosion, just Lord. The animation team was cooking so much.
Leave the ice shards to me.
Oh, I love this.
Sige! No!
Wait lang, time out. It reminds me of this animatic from yung Valorant. Ooh! It looks so good.
Sige! No! Hey! Instead of therapy, I break things. It's just faster.
Apo, you carry my light wherever you go. Go.
Oh man. Is he eating? God damn, this joke is so out of place. You're not a comedic relief, my guy. You're the main antagonist so far. You're the monster of the week. Don't make jokes like this. Anong kinakain niya? Langka?
Let's finish.
Ang ganda.
This is what happens when you play with fire.
Wait, time out. I just realized biglang nawala yung biglang nawala yung tsinelas. Did it turn into more fire powers? Dito wala na siyang isang tsinelas, pero hindi niya binato or wala siyang parang conversion magic na ginawa. Anyways, ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko, like parang walang agency yung mga tao. It's like this guy running away, being scared. More of that. Ito pa, the emotion of this lady, si Sesa. It's why is she smiling? They're in trouble. Another one, like behind them, the entire island is freezing. Why are they smiling? Ayan, back dun sa cohesion. Nagyayakapan tong apat. Lumilipad si Angie, pero sa next scene, the scene after that is magka-connect na si JR tsaka si Angie. This guy was not here. These two are not there. Tapos magka-connect na sila. That kind of cohesion takes me out talaga. So,
That's a no.
Ay, nako.
so good. Ayan, meron pang epilogue after this, pero I think end na yung react from there. Generally, it's so good. I think ang pinaka-hero piece nila is una sa lahat yung animation kasi oh my god, the animation is so good. Pero ang weak point sa kanila is yung pacing tsaka yung pag-storyboard kasi nagja-jump all over the place nga yung characters and conversations. The voice acting, maganda rin. Pero, channel is so good. So, please support the Kickstarter campaign. Mag-add din ako ng link sa baba. Really, I want more of this for the Philippines. I want more of this I want this industry ng animation to succeed sa Philippines. And for some reason, kung napapansin nyo, parang parami yung media na ini-explore ang ganitong paraan ng pagkukwento. I'll give another example. Meron tayo ditong by Tiny Toco Studio kung saan they're also working on their own indie animation. Meron tayong to be released soon. I'm so excited for this then. Things like these that share our culture to the rest of the world really puts us on the spotlight and on the map na this is what Philippine creativity can do. And ayun, there's some kind of Pinoy pride with it. Ewan, it's parang sinaunang panahon lang kay Juan Luna nung nanalo siya nung award niya from Spoliarium. It's the same feeling na parang nakaka-proud na ito yung mga works ng mga lokal, ito yung works ng mga Pinoy that gets recognized by other people. In general, parang gusto kong mas na-share yung culture natin through these kinds of media. Ayun, nakaka-excite lang na parang, ito na, our stories are being shared more. Even yung in development na animation ng DreamWorks Studios na Forgotten Island. I know, it's something na parang I feel like I'm seen, I feel like I'm represented, and we hope for more of this. So anyways, supportahan natin yung Kickstarter campaign para ma-manifest ito in an actual season-long na animated series. Ayun lang. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo, and hopefully for the devs, hopefully nakatulong yung feedback para sa future and sa success ng Sun Chaser. So ayun lang, maraming salamat.